everyone, thanks for joining my channel. This is Rocky. So the saga continues. I'm still working from home, but I got a lot to share. Just ignore the fact that I have not even bothered to comb my hair. I am getting dressed every day. That is a plus. That is definitely a plus. I'm still doing my outfits of the day over at Instagram. So if you want to see those, you can go ahead and check those out. So there is still some motivation to live a normal life while I'm working from home. However, this hair though needs to be delivered. I need to do something with this hair. So what I wanted to share with you today is super exciting. I mean, it's very few times that I've been this excited sharing news with you on YouTube. I think one of the first milestones that I shared with you was reaching 100 subscribers. Another one was when I bought some lights. I finally bought lights and my videos were brighter and nicer. When we reached 500 subscribers, I was super excited. The other time I think was when I got my first PR unboxing. So that segues perfectly into what I want to talk to you about today. So today we have my second of all time PR unboxing. And this one is super special because this is from a brand that I rave about and talk about all the time. I am the, what do you call, a Midwestern evangelist for this company. And I am a customer, a loyal customer. I, just love this brand. So let's go get right into it and I'll talk you through. So the folks over at thebodybean.com reached out to me. They saw one of my videos on Instagram and they felt that my message was pretty organic, and obviously, I really loved it because it's, natural, it smells great, it treats my body well, and I say all great things about it when I talk to you about it. But they felt that there was some real synergy between my brand and theirs, and they wanted me to try some of their new things. They didn't ask me to talk about this at all, but I talk to you guys about everything, so it makes sense. But they sent me this nice hefty box of products, and I'm just gonna open it with you. I have no idea what's in here. I opened it just for the sake of cutting the tape, but I don't know what's in here, and we're gonna just get right into it. So in the packaging, they did send me, it looks like their story. Looks like this is a husband and wife who are from Sweden and got married here in the US, and they decided that there were too many chemicals in most products and they wanted to create something natural for themselves, and then they started to sell it, which I am glad that they did. They've also sent to me some coupon codes, so I'm going to tell it to you right away that you can get a huge discount on these products by just typing in the code LOCAL right here, LOCAL. Yeah, I can't spell today. LOCAL, local. Go ahead and type that in if you find any products that you like, anything that I talk about, anything that you see on their website. Definitely indulge in that. They gave me a few cards that I could share with folks, but I'm sharing it with you right here on this channel. So the very first thing, oh, look at this. The very first item here comes in a nice box, a huge box. And oh, it looks very decorative. So let me show you what's in this box. So the box looks very decorative. It has these owls on it, and let's see what's in it. Oh, it's packed full of products. So let's talk through all of these. So there's a little note here, and it says, hey, it says my name on it. She says, our bar soaps are soft, silky, and 99% natural, lathers well in the shower and bathtub, must utilize pronged drainage dish provided for integrity of the soaps. We sell thousands of these awesome pretty little soaps. So I don't know where it's included in here. So here are oh wow, here are the soaps. Look at that. They all look similar. It seems like, almost like pound cake. You ever see those loaves of pound cake, and these look like slices of pound cake, which I bet that's how she makes them. So this is a coconut oil and olive oil soap. This one is called Love. This one is oatmeal honey, which I used the loofah oatmeal honey soap, and that was amazing. I'm sure I'm gonna love this one. And this one is a eucalyptus mint. So this one seems to be really interesting as well too. So it has all of these, and then it comes, she said you have to put it on, I'm thinking this is there's a little stand here. I think this is to keep it from melting or degrading or something like that. So I think I have to sit the soaps on here as I use them. So this is the little thing she sent, I think. Maybe not, go find out. There are several in the box. We also have, oh, I am familiar with these. So we also have the shampoo bar and the conditioning bar. I have both of these and they smell amazing. So this is the shampoo bar, and it has the smell that I always talk about, has the famous butt naked smell. And this one is just like a coconut oil, coconut milk type of bar that I use for conditioning. So what I found with these is that, at least for the shampoo bar, my hair is dry on its own. Very dry. I have to use a conditioner behind it. So some people are able to use this on its own. They find that it's moisturizing enough, but my hair historically, I've never been able to just use shampoo. So this bar comes in handy, using this bar. I do have both of these in my possession already because I bought them. The conditioning bar works just like my normal conditioner, so I really like this product. So she did include a note with the shampoo bar and the conditioner bar. It says 99% all natural shampoo bar, a new Mickey creation. It's wonderful, approximately 35 washes in the shower. One of the most lathered products in her that Mickey has created. Take this one to your house along with the conditioning bar, and she said let them know some feedback. So I have already used both of these, Mickey and Chris. Love them. I mean, they work for me the way that my typical natural shampoo and conditioners work. Again, my recommendation for people who have very curly hair and very dry hair or coarse hair, they have to use it in conjunction with the conditioner. But I find that these products are on par with some of the higher scale products that I use today, like Aveda, for example. So that's my feedback. So this one is another one of my favorites. We've talked about this before in the past. This is the loofah soap. So this one has the goat's milk and it's oatmeal and honey, just like the soap you saw me put over here. So she has a couple of notes attached. I think it's so adorable that there are notes on the products. The loofah soap scrub, goat's milk, natural loofah sponge. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that when I reviewed these before. This is actual natural loofah from the tree loofah. Not like plastic made up loofah. So this is amazing. It's natural. Again, it adheres to all the natural requirements that I have for my body. I love everything about that. So it has natural loofah. So I forgot to tell you about that. And so anyway, she says, he says the preservative is in this soap to stabilize it, or it rots on the shelf, so to speak. So that's really good, knowing that this is so, so natural that you do have to put some level of preservative in it, or else you probably have moldy soap. I don't know. So he said that they sell thousands of these and they have mild ingredients. So they definitely do. I will, again, link everything back down below, and you can go to their website so you can see all of the ingredients and all of their products. There are no surprises. Everything that they say that's in here is actually in here, and the very essential things only. So definitely check out the ingredients. So this one is completely new to me. This one's called the Body Bean Pixie Dust. Sprinkle a little or sprinkle a lot in the bathtub for a soothing fizzy bath. And this one's a dandelion pear. So I'll show you what this one looks like. So this one, again, they have a note included with this one. It said it's a convenient product. Why? Because so one of these packets has 2 or 3 doses in it. The bag is resealable for multiple applications in your bath. This is especially helpful with young children who like to use bath bombs, Epsom salt, soapy products. It's available now, obviously, as you can see, in a powder form, so it allows you to use it as you need it, just a little bit or a whole lot. I have admittedly never used a bath bomb before. I don't take baths very often, but because I have this, I feel inspired to take a bath so I can see how this works. So I have, we'll just see how this goes. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. Finally, no, not finally, there's a lot. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Oh, this is super cute. So this one is a case of travel soaps. I don't know if you can see that really well. Here are the travel soaps. So they're about, I want to say 6 bars of soap that you could take with you on the road as opposed to the big bar. You could take this container with you or just take, you know, the smaller piece that you want. But I think that's ingenious to have all the scents that you want, the soap that you want in a smaller travel size. This is adorable and this makes for an amazing gift. So I think this is a great gift idea for you guys out there. It has obviously some of the ones that I noted over here that I had already gotten and a few more. So I'm really excited to see what kinds are in here. It also included a lip balm. I have already gotten a lip balm before in the past from the Body Bean, and I find this to be very moisturizing. The quality of this lip balm is on par with some of the higher end lip balms. Like I keep using Aveda as a benchmark, but Aveda, Dior, trying to see what else that I use that I really like. It's actually better than what's the honey one? I can't think of the one, but you know, guys know what I'm talking about. The guy that does all the honey products. But I find it to be better than that honey product. But this is a really good lip balm. I would love to have this in a stick form, especially now with all of the germs and the COVID and all that stuff. I'm really sensitive to putting my finger in things and touching my face. But I have this already and I do like the quality of the formula. So there is a note that goes with the lip balm and it says this is a new product as well, 99% natural, and it has 15% SPF. I had no idea that it has SPF in it. You guys know that I wear SPF every day of the year just because I like to protect my skin. 1, for youthfulness, but 2, obviously I don't want to get skin cancer. So, and I don't want to burn. Dark skinned people do burn too, believe it or not. So I am excited about that. I had no idea that there was SPF in there. So fits right in. Look at that synergy go. And there's more. So what do we have here? Oh, this is something that I haven't tried before. This is the Active Charcoal Facial Soap. So actually, I have a coworker who watches my videos who has tried this charcoal soap. This one is you know, made for your face. And you know, I do the charcoal toothpaste and I find that that works really well. I would imagine that this would have some of the same cleaning and active ingredient products as the toothpaste does, but let's see what note they have for me here. They said that the charcoal soap cleans the skin the most in their opinion, which is why they've used it for this deep cleansing for the face and the body. The idea here is to strip all of the makeup and any residue using this charcoal soap from your face. Then re-moisturize your whole body with aloe vera lotions. They do produce unscented aloe vera lotion for your face that you could apply to sensitive, you know, skin, just in case you don't want any fragrance in your stuff. So that's awesome. That's my issue too. Like fragrance items really do a number on me, especially on my face. And you guys can tell I have a very sensitive face. But then on my body too, I have weird reactions. It just depends. If it's natural, my body is fine with it, but it's these synthetic things and chemicals that really kind of bother me. And yeah, so this is the soap and I am definitely gonna try this and I'll let you know how it works. And then there's more. The box that keeps on giving. Oh my gosh. This was so nice and so generous of you, Mickey and Chris. I really appreciate it. This is really nice. I have a lot of bottles here of lotion. It says here are the aloe vera lotions in several flavors. So yes, they do use mild preservatives in the products. They just kind of have to have some sort of shelf life, so they do put some mild ones in there. Yeah, and they just feel like this is an amazing product to use to repair your skin. So they recommend with this charcoal soap that I just talked about, using this aloe lotion, which I am gonna try and see. I absolutely love the products that when they have an ingredient in the name that is actually one of the ingredients in the product, that's how you know you're really dealing with some really good products. So for example, this is the aloe lotion, and aloe vera juice is the number 2 after water, number 2 ingredient in this product. So I like to see it being a main ingredient when it's called that. So anyway, I have the aloe lotion here. They sent me my favorite Butt Naked. Yes. They sent me dandelion pear, which I got a sample of the dandelion pear, guys, and I absolutely loved it. The consistency of it, the smell of it, I loved everything about the dandelion pear. And then finally the lavender. I have not tried the lavender yet. I bought a rose candle from this team, and it smells so good that I don't want to burn it, so I can't even give you feedback on the rose one, but the Butt Naked candles, they are amazing. Definitely go get that one. I love those, and I have tons of them here. But the lavender, I'm really excited to try all of these lotions. I'm so excited for all of these products, and definitely, of course, my final recommendation on all of this is that you should try it. If you're afraid to make the investment, again, you can't lose by using the code, the huge discount code, 40% off with the code LOCAL, L-O-C-A-L. And then they have all these cute travel sizes too. So like this lotion comes in a really big pump version. You don't have to get that. You can get this size. And of course the soaps, you can try a variety in the travel size. So I suggest go on ahead, look at the website, see if there's anything you like, use the discount code. You can't go wrong. But I absolutely live by these products. So that is my tip of the day, my review of the day, my exciting haul and PR unboxing of the day. I can't get over it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me comments and questions down below. Bye.